Come on, let us start with the 23rd sum. And here what is given in the sum? Two circles intersect at point M and N. We need to prove that segment SQ is parallel to segment RP. So let us start with the solution. The first step of the solution, we are going to join point MN. Draw segment MN. Point M और N को join करो. Okay, now in the next step, first we need to write this. Draw segment MN. Draw segment MN. So now we'll look at the first small circle. In that circle, we will say that points P, comma N, comma M, comma R, these 4 points are on the circle. Circle के ऊपर है ना, are on the circle. तो अगर 4 पॉइंट सर्कल के ऊपर है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? हम बोलेंगे that is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here we are saying that in the next step, therefore, since it is on the circle, therefore quadrilateral PNMR is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic का हमको एक angle का we know that the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, right? So therefore we are considering these two opposite angles. See here, this angle R and this angle M and P are the opposite angles, barabar? So we are going to write it. Therefore angle MRP plus angle MNP is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1. In bracket reason, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, or we can also write theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, next. Similarly, we look at the bigger circle. 4 point बड़ा circle के ऊपर भी है. So we are going to say that points M, N, Q, S are on the bigger circle, are on the circle, sorry, because smaller we are not writing, are on the circle. Therefore, quadrilateral MNQS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, अब इसका भी ना हम opposite angle लेंगे. ये दो opposite angle लेते हैं. ये S वाला और ये वाला. Okay, so let us write angle MSQ plus angle MNQ is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2. ब्रैकेट में सेम रीजन लिखेंगे जो हमने ऊपर लिखा, थ्योरम ऑफ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल. नाउ ये जो हमने रेड कलर, ब्लू कलर एंगल मार्क किया है ना, हम उसको ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. ये जो दो एंगल है ना, दैट इज एंगल MNP and angle MNQ are what type of angles? Angles in linear pair, correct? So they are supplementary, right? So in the next step we are going to write that angle MNP plus angle MNQ is equal to 180 degree. Third equation. Angles in linear pair. Now I'm not going to the next page. Instead, I want to be on the same page. I will rub this part given. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me move on to the next page. Okay, this I can rub. So I'm going to rub this part. Okay, so I'm writing the next step here itself. Now look at equation 1 and 3, students. Look at equation 1. Look at equation, this one equation. And look at equation 3. Both the right hand side are same now, 180, 180. So we are going to write the LHS is equal to LHS. Left hand side is also equal. So the next step we are writing, therefore, angle MRP plus MNP. इक्वेशन 1 का LHS लिया हमने, इक्वेशन 3 का LHS लिया हमने, क्योंकि दोनों का RHS इक्वल है, हमने कहा कि LHS भी इक्वल है. अब इसमें MNP कैंसिल हो जाएगा. इसमें ब्रैकेट में हम लिखेंगे फ्रॉम 1 and 3, from equation 1 and 3. Since RHS are equal, therefore LHS is also equal. So therefore we get the step angle MRP is equal to angle MNQ. Now here, students, there is one more thing which we can use, that is the exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. If you remember, we can directly write this step. MNQ is the exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral MNPR. Hence, MNQ is equal to the remote interior. मतलब बाजू वाले का सामने वाला. मतलब MNQ का बाजू वाला is MNP, उसका सामने वाला. So we can use that also. If you don't want to do this way, you can solve it that way also. So here we got MRP equals to MNQ. We are going to mark it as equation number 4. अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग? अब है ना, हमको एक्चुअली बताना क्या है? हमको बताना है कि ये जो दो एंगल है ना, वो सप्लीमेंट्री है. ये एंगल और ये एंगल. एक बार हमने ये बता दिया ना कि ये दो एंगल सप्लीमेंट्री है, हम बोल सकते हैं कि बाय इंटीरियर एंगल टेस्ट आरपी इज पैरेलल टू एसक्यू. सो दिस एंगल इज एमआरपी, राइट? तो एमआरपी एंड दिस एंगल इज व्हाट? एमएसक्यू, right? So we'll look at the second equation. Look at the second equation. MSQ we have. MNQ के जगह पे MRP लिख सकते हैं क्या? MNQ के जगह पे MRP हाँ लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? अभी अभी हमने प्रूव किया कि MNQ is equal to MRP. So that we are going to do in the next step, students. We are going to directly write this step. That therefore angle MSQ as it is plus MNQ के जगह पे हमने MRP लिखा, हाँ, plus MRP equal to 180 degree in bracket reason from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. Okay. Now, next step. Therefore, I'm going to rub this part. Therefore, by interior angle test, we can say that two lines are parallel. By interior angles test. Therefore, segment SQ is parallel to segment RP by interior angles test. By interior angle test. Hence proved.